400 west on top of the jaw. There is definitely water damage. It's right there. You see the purple mark right here. Then we're gonna go up chasing it. This is just a. Is that concrete wall behind or metal studs? I see metal studs. Can't see behind it because you have insulation. It cannot penetrate through the insulation. Let's see. Light is distorting it. Yeah, turning out the light off. What kind of insulation you have? The right, yeah, the infrared cannot penetrate it. But there's a water damage definitely here. I would suggest you to open this whole area and see what's behind, because I can't see, you know, the infrared cannot. We cannot do that. My machine cannot penetrate through it because you have really a good insulation, and I see you have metal studs all over the place. It's getting distorted. Okay. That's a metal corner bit you have. That's what it's picking up. Right underneath the basketball shield, there's no water damage there. There's no water damage there. No, it's just a metal. There's no water damage. There's no water damage. It's a basketball shield it's picking up. That's a heat distortion from the. There's no water damage there. No. This is not the water damage. No, this is not the water damage. That's just a stress mark on a sheetrock. Whoever taped it needs to be retaped. It's too tall, too heavy. I don't know.
Or if coming from maybe the back there.
That's what you see is a drop that bottom metal. No, that's something inside here cannot penetrate. This area cannot penetrate.
What about on top of this? If I move a little bit.
I can look inside here. Let me see. Nope, cannot penetrate.
Maybe just to see if it's wet, maybe it's coming down or something.
Move. It's getting distorted by this light. Yeah, it's right here. Water damage is primarily up here, this area, and it's going down from there.
So that means insulation has to be wet completely.
That means there's a wetness inside here, right here.
So that's, if we see at that height, if we more or less we know that is the point, the lower point, the floor point.
Yeah.
So probably if we have it here, it's a lot amount of water.
Yeah, it's a lot of amount of water right here.
Yep, because you see how high it goes, like
Yeah.
3 feet almost. So all the insulation suck the water, we can say that.
Yeah. See, this is where the water damage is. That's the right here. You see a water tank, and on the left side is the water damage. I don't know how you have a. Do you have any plumbing going to it from here? Because that's where the water damage is. And then from there, water jumps down to here. But primarily is here. There, I see water. You see the tank, and the water is right here. And then I see a trace of water coming down this way and stopping here, that area. It's not a lot of water, but I would suggest you open here, that area, sheetrock, and see inside. You're also using closed cell insulation or some kind of really good insulation. My infrared cameras and thermal detector cannot penetrate through those insulations, which is, I don't know, machine cannot penetrate. You have to cut the wall open. I see that behind the sheetrock is a metal stud, and onto the metal stud I see water. I don't see anything beyond that.